Monopoly Go airplane mode glitch not working. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the no internet pop-up in the Monopoly Go application. So make sure you watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any of the steps in this process. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is you need to simply go into your settings, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and then you need to tap on apps. In the apps you just have to search for Monopoly Go. So here you will be able to see all of the applications that you are currently using. Now among these you just have to simply tap on Monopoly Go. Now what this will do is it will redirect you in the app info section of Monopoly Go, where you will be able to see various options. Now over here you need to go into storage, and in the storage you will be able to see two options in the bottom. The first is of clear cache and the second one is of clear data. So first you need to tap on clear cache, and after clearing the cache of Monopoly Go you just have to launch it, and you just have to try to use the airplane mode and see whether this problem is fixed or not. If this problem still persists, then instead of tapping on the clear cache option, this time you will have to tap on clear data, and what this will do is it will fix your issue. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.